Today we'll talk about how can you change language on your NovelToon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on mine down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on language, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this. And here can you change your language here on your NovelTown app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.